We are saying goodbye to the cutest cabin in Bear Lake. If you guys are interested in renting this off Airbnb, I'll have the listing in the description for you guys. The truck is packed. Thank goodness Olivia and Boston went with Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein. I'm sure they're having fun. I'm gonna squeeze in here somewhere. And apparently Joel said it was okay that Cody ski down the hill. So, all right. This is going to be a beautiful moment because look what he's skiing towards. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Are you nervous?
Kind of.
Oh, he already lost his ski. You will. There you go.
First step out of the maze. Follow the path and wander. And we go with no illusions. And we leave all our conclusions.
Cody, wow! Cody, that was awesome! He's so cute. That is so funny. I want him to stop, but he insists on continuing. Oh, look at the view! Cody, this is gorgeous! Oh! What do you tell your dad? Yeah. Well, I got a little frantic for a second. We're pulled over on the side of the road. I was like, something's on fire! I like look over and Joel's arm was smoking and I was like, your arm is on fire! I was like, pull over! I was like rubbing his arm to get the like smoke out because I looked over and he's driving like this and his arm was smoking. I can smell it. The whole car smells like it. The sun was coming through here.
Creating like a magnifying glass.
Creating a magnifying glass.
That's the funniest thing ever.
And it burned his coat.
Has the craziness ended yet?
That was intense. Got our adrenaline going.
I'm freaking out.
Yeah, I really did. Back at home, I'm just trying to get Lincoln to bed. How did you earn your dollars?
By smack and putting your feet.
That's right. It was worth every 100 pennies.
Good morning, everybody. It is a couple days after Christmas, and that means it is ski time for me and the kids. It is time to take them out and skiing, and since Lincoln has kind of, I don't know, just barely started learning skiing, I'm going to be bringing him along because I want him to learn. My goal is in maybe 3 to 5 years, be able to just go skiing and the kids just follow me wherever I go. I can't do that unless I put the time in right now. I think that's a life lesson for everything, that if you want an outcome further down the road, or if you want a certain outcome from something, maybe it's like training a pet, training a child, or I don't know, investing, building a house, whatever you're doing, anything you're doing, you got to put the time in right now. Like the kids, I want the kids to be able to play the piano well, so we're putting the time in now so that they can learn the piano. It says ditto when your arms are down, and I love it. We got to make sure everybody's warm because it is cold. It was 9 degrees when I went running this morning. It was negative 37 degrees at the Peter Sinks, which, if you're wondering, is the location where the coldest temperature ever recorded in the lower 48 states was in the Peter Sinks. Ready to go ski, bud?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna be a strong skier today?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
Snowface Resort.
What I thought was going to be a easy day, not having to deal with kids' rentals at all, turned out to be a disaster. Olivia's boots don't fit. Boston's boots don't fit. But we're gonna get them fixed away, huh? Okay.
I love you. I give you everything you want me to. Think about it. If I could, I'd go down the moon and give that to.
Okay. Well, that didn't work. Okay, bud, come to me. Okay, let's see the pizza.
Stars and sun all
Pizza.
separated, rainbow colors newly
There we go, I
painted.
got you.
Put it all in a paper bag for you.
Want those
Have a
chips?
nice day. All the gods and all the angels got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough.
Pizza, pizza, pizza,
One thing's true.
Yeah,
Never ask
buddy.
for nothing more than
That's it, bud, right there. That's the
Think
money
about
maker. I brought my radios to keep in communication with the kids because they kind of go do their thing, and that works. But we got stopped in the middle of the lift for like a couple minutes or so, and so I thought, oh, it's a great time to talk to the kids, see how they're doing. They didn't answer initially, and I was like, what was going on? I talked to them again, and come to find out, they're the reason the lift stopped.
If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu.
Pizza, pizza, pizza! Atta boy, look at that sauce. Now, for some reason, Lincoln says this is his first time skiing. I can't remember. I think last time we tried to take him skiing, we just made him go sledding instead. But he's doing great. He's getting it. And this is worthwhile right here, him figuring this out. Looking good, bud. All right, Linky, you ready? Get off there. Atta boy.
Stars and sun all separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you. Have a nice day. All the gods and all the angels got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough.
Back up and at it already, bud. Keep going. Keep going. What was your best and worst part of the day? Start with your worst part of the day. What was the worst part?
That we couldn't do a lot more. I mean,
Oh, that we couldn't go all day? Okay, what was your best part of the day? Skiing?
The worst part of the day was that my ski boots that I got for Christmas, they didn't fit. So we had to get another pair. Well, my hair did. And my best part was the Boston stopped the lift twice.
Twice?
One on the train. It was like the one like you hold onto it and like it like slides you up and you slid under.
and my favorite part,
Okay.
at the middle of the hill, my ski kind of slipped on ice, and then I fell down and hanged onto that ball, and I was just dragging there for like 2 minutes until they found me, just sliding on the ground. That was my favorite part. My worst part was that we had to take our ski boots off, and it took so long.
Oh, that was the worst part, bud. Yeah.
And my favorite part was there was like other ones that you ride on, and then there's like different ones that no one was riding. And I said to Olivia, what if I just jumped onto that lift and then it hit my face? I did 2 backflips and I landed on my neck.